Ladies and gentlemen, members, and visitors of BNI Success Lives here, get ready to meet someone who's transforming the way small businesses handle their finances. Introducing Irene, the expert behind Irene Consulting Firm. With a master's degree in accounting and management, she's dedicated to helping entrepreneurs thrive. Known for her precision, reliability, and expertise, Irene saves her clients thousands of dollars during tax season, making bookkeeping stress-free and efficient. At BNI Success Lives here, we believe in building strong business connections, and Irene is the go-to bookkeeper you can trust. Let's give a warm welcome to Irene.
I can't keep up with this. Invoices are piling up. I don't know where my money is going, and tax season is a nightmare. I need help. Jonathan, man, I'm drowning in numbers. I don't know if I'm making or losing money. Tax season is coming, and I have no idea if I'll owe or get a refund. I need a bookkeeper, but I don't know who to trust.
Chris, I've been there. My books were a disaster last year, and I almost lost thousands of dollars in overpaid taxes. But then, I found Irene.
Irene? Who's that?
She's a professional bookkeeper with a master's degree in accounting and management. She cleaned up my books and saved me thousands. I don't stress over finances anymore. She works with construction businesses like yours, restaurants like mine, and other small businesses. She's the best in the business.
Man, that sounds exactly like what I need. How do I contact her?
I'll set up a meeting for you. Trust me, Irene will change your business.
Hi, Jonathan. How's everything going?
Irene, I have a friend, Chris, in the construction business. He's struggling with cash flow and bookkeeping just like I was. I told him how you saved me thousands, and he's eager to meet you.
That's great. I'd love to help. Let's book a time for him to come to my office.
Perfect. I'll bring him over tomorrow at 10 a.m. Thanks, Irene.
Looking forward to it. Chris, welcome. I understand bookkeeping can be overwhelming, but that's why I'm here. Let's go over your finances and find the best way to streamline everything.
Thanks, Irene. I waste so much time trying to figure this out instead of focusing on growing my business.
Exactly. That's why hiring a professional bookkeeper is crucial. Let me show you what I offer: monthly bookkeeping to keep everything up to date, cleanup services to fix past mistakes, QuickBooks setup, and training if you want to better understand your finances.
That's exactly what I need. I can't afford to keep making mistakes.
You're in good hands. I work with businesses in all 50 states remotely, and my goal is to save you time and money.
Sign me up, Irene. I need this.
Welcome aboard. Let's get started.
Jonathan, I can't thank you enough. Irene is amazing. I already feel more in control of my business.
I told you, man. She's the best.
You saved me. I owe you a dinner at your restaurant.
Thank you all for watching Irene's presentation. If you're a business owner struggling with bookkeeping, don't wait until tax season hits you hard. Book a one-on-one with Irene today. She's the best bookkeeper in the world.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
No way! I owe $10,000 in taxes? How did this happen? I should have hired a bookkeeper months ago.
Hello, may I please speak with Irene?
Hello, this is Irene. How can I help you?
Hey Irene, it's David. I don't know if you remember me, but I visited your BNI chapter, BNI Success Lives here, a while ago. I was really impressed with your bookkeeping presentation, but I figured I could manage things myself. Well, I was completely wrong. My books are a mess, and now the IRS says I owe $10,000. I don't even know if that number is right. I've been so focused on running my business that I lost track of my finances. Now I'm panicking because tax season is here, and I have no idea what to do.
David, first, take a deep breath. You're not the first business owner in this situation, and I can help. I specialize in fixing messy books and finding tax savings. Let's go over everything, and I'll see how much we can reduce that tax bill.
Thank you, Irene. I need all the help I can get.
Okay, David, I see where the problem is. Your expenses weren't categorized correctly, and you missed several deductions. Also, some of your transactions weren't reconciled, which made your tax liability look worse than it actually is. The good news? I can fix this. Good news, David. After cleaning up your books, I found several deductions you missed. Instead of owing $10,000, your new tax liability is just $3,000.
Wait, you saved me $7,000? I can't believe it! I should have hired you sooner. Irene, I can't thank you enough. You saved me from a financial disaster. From now on, I want you handling my bookkeeping every month.
I'm happy to help, David. With clean books, you'll always know where your money is going. Don't wait until tax season to realize your books are a mess. Whether you need monthly bookkeeping, QuickBooks training, or a full cleanup, I'm here to help. Book a one-on-one with me today, and let's get your business finances on track. It's my pleasure to present my bookkeeping service business with you, BNI members and visitors. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, 𝐼RENE𝐵IZESSENTIALS. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/𝐼RENE_BIZESSENTIALS and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.